inside the lobby at the Wilbur Hotel here in Lititz, Pennsylvania. Before we ride the elevator, take a look at this building. This is a very nice building. And over here are the elevators. These are ThyssenKrupp Endura MRLs. And here's this elevator. Up to 5. Here are 5. See, LL is locked. We're going down to 2 since the front desk not too far away from these elevators. Cab view. These are kind of nice elevators. I do like the brown in the back. They look like it's chocolate. It does smell like chocolate in this entire building since this used to be the old Wilbur Chocolate Factory. Anyway, these are your 8-hole buttons, which are slightly dirty. And here are 2. You get a perfect view out the lobby from the 2nd floor. So there goes the elevator. Here's a better view of the lobby from up here on 2. Very nice place. Here's a view of the guest floor. And now we're going to ride our elevator. Let's see how smart this controller is. I'll put it down as well, see if the other car comes. Here's this car. This one's got a fan, unfortunately. Up to 5. Door might reopen. You're on 5. I guess the door didn't reopen after all on the 2nd floor. Anyway, while we're up here on 5, we'll take a look around. Look, there's a view down this hallway. And like I said, this used to be the old Wilbur Chocolate Factory that was converted into a hotel, as you can see. Got a nice machine in the stairwell down there and a storage compartment. And here's your view out this window. Not the most exciting view, looks like. In that building, there's a coffee shop down there. You can see part of downtown Lititz. We're going to see another view down the other side of the hallway, then we'll go back down the elevator. Here's the elevator lobby. Got 2 elevators here. Not sure there's a service elevator here or not. Anyway, there's a mirror and a flower pot here below. And down here, and it's an emergency exit, looks like. An electrical room. And I think through here is the residence access only. Not sure if it's open. Nope, it's locked. Alright, I guess we'll go back down the elevators now. There's 1 elevator here and 1 elevator here. We got 2 call stations. Now we got the same one we just came up in. Anyway, while we're up here, we'll get a cab view. Just like the other one. Kind of a nice elevator. I do like the brown in the back. Make it look like a chocolate bar. There's your ThyssenKrupp logo. This is like a newer ThyssenKrupp logo. Key card reader, and using your 8-hole fixtures. Can't go to LL, unfortunately. We'll get back down to 1. And you're at 1. There's actually a little bit of music playing inside the elevators as well. And there goes the elevator, and that'll be it.